Hello everyone, I'm with you. I made this out of modeling clay just like this, a 2005 model for the crash test. This fort is made entirely out of modeling clay. I only used 2 thin wires for the bottom so the car wouldn't sag. The details on the Mustang are clear. I highlighted them in detail. You can see the rear axle, the exhaust system, the engine oil pan, and so on. I also made spinning wheels. All 4 wheels rotate completely freely. I also worked on the engine. Let's take a look at it now. Here, a 5.8 liter engine is installed with a power output of 670 horsepower. Now let's discuss the most fascinating aspect, the crash test. How will it be performed? Everything is quite simple. I need to go under the machine and secure the thread, then run it through the plasticine block. All that's left is to pull the thread hard, just like a car would crash into this block. Well then, let's begin. Somehow things went a little off, nothing went according to plan. I really picked up speed, of course, but I didn't expect that plasticine block to just fly off. Apparently I didn't secure it well enough, and Ford crashed into my phone. Okay, so now I'll disconnect it. Let's take a look at the damage. It's bent a little bit. I'll take it off. The front part was damaged, but the engine is mostly okay. The wheel is stuck. I can see that. We must fix it now to repeat the crash test. So the bottom here, what's under it? Well, everything here is bent, the wheels, but basically it's not critical. Well, it's already turning out pretty well. Now I'll try to secure the plasticine much better and we'll repeat it. Again, it didn't work out for us. This time I pulled too hard, the rope snapped and the car didn't gain the necessary speed. As for the damage, it's just a bit worse. The bumper got more crumpled and that's it. There's nothing new for us. I'll make this kind of angled ram based on the 7i with this ram. We'll crash into the side door on the driver's side and see what's left of the mannequin. So what do we have here? I crashed pretty hard, as we can see. So the door actually popped open. I pushed it back out from the inside, removed the ram, and it popped back out again. Alright, well, about the mannequin. Nothing happened to it. The arm just changed position a little bit, that's all. And otherwise, it's absolutely untouched. Let's put it that way. Well guys, now the most fun part is about to begin. We are going to drop this Mustang from about 2 meters high onto this table. Apparently no crash test is complete without dropping a car onto the floor or at least onto a chair. Well then, let's go. Excellent. We're basically having a crash test. The car fell onto the table, then it fell from the table to the floor. Apparently we should have put a camera under the table as well. The Mustang, of course, is completely wrecked. The roof and hood flew off, the mannequin shifted, and honestly, I have no idea how this happened. The seat, man, it really holds on, but even the seat flew out of the cabin. These pillars here got bent, and the roof is just completely gone. Even the steering wheel got bent here. So even the rear part got a bit bent. Honestly, I didn't expect such a hard impact. The front part just got crushed, completely flattened at an angle. Wonderful. Well, I don't know, do I have to drop it again? So under the bottom here as well, our driver's side got bent. The engine here also got bent. It's in an unclear position here. And here too, everything started to go the same way. Now I'll try to somehow put all this back, stick it together, straighten it out, and we'll drop this Mustang onto the rear part. Oh, that was a hard fall, of course. What do we have here? Wow, that's some serious deformation. Just look from here, from this angle. We go along the side of the car and bam, the rear part is just flattened onto the front. It's a nightmare, really. Terrible. Just you see. Here we have the front part and the rear is just gone. It's been crushed. Terrible. Nightmare. Yeah, I'm really messing with this Mustang that I just finished making and now I've literally destroyed it right away. So with mannequin, let's just film this. Let's rip the door off. Why not? Okay, well, we don't have much of a mannequin here. He tilted his neck forward. Maybe he broke his neck, but he doesn't seem tired. He's even smiling. He even seems to like something. In general, nothing got torn off or crushed here. His steering wheel, of course, bent here in the front. We haven't had anything new appear after the new incentives. Yeah, the lower one, of course, got really bent. You can see it, these bends here. So it turns out there was some serious damage. Well, finally, I decided to drop the Mustang onto this pencil. I think we'll be able to pierce it right through. This is just insane, guys. Yeah, I missed, but man, it shattered so beautifully. Here it is, small and headless. It's a nightmare, of course. So here it is, it fell right here. Here we see a thin wire that I used so the car wouldn't bend. I just don't know, it's like some kind of ground meat came out of the car. It got smashed up that badly. Horror, just a nightmare. Seats are already falling on us, just like that, as if there's some kind of substitution going on here. Well, here it is. It landed on a pencil, so that's how it is. These ones didn't turn out to be so harsh. And finally, now I'll show you the process of sculpting the Mustang, how it all started and how it ended. Let's go. We're going to wrap up now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. To see more similar videos, remember to join the VKontakte group. I post my work photos there. Link in description. Thanks for watching. Bye.